have a little surprise for you. Look up. What did you just see? I saw moon. Did you? He is a surprise visitor today. Hello friends. How are you all today? Grandma is here with you for a special episode. Diwali is around the corner. Are you ready? I'm going to get ready to receive Diwali. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you the 10 most important things, 10 tips to get ready for the Diwali. I am following this. It's up to you whether you follow it or not. Correct? So, shall we go and see what all are that 10 tips? The first and foremost important tip for me is cleaning your house. Clean your house thoroughly. Every nook and corner of your house should be cleaned. Take out that cobwebs, pull out that sofas and clean. You will be surprised to see the amount of dirt comes out from the otherwise so-called clean house of yours. Take some help from somebody or clean it yourself. It gives you such happiness I can't tell you. Clean your house thoroughly for this Diwali. The second one is wash all bed sheets, curtains, sofa covers, everything. Add a cap full of comfort into your washing machine or the bucket. It gives a nice fragrance to your curtains, bed sheets. Otherwise, if you can afford, buy new ones. That is also very good. The number 3 in my list is go and search your cupboards. There will be piles and piles of clothes which you have not touched for the last few months. Take them out. Take them out. Try. Just see whether it will fit you and you don't want to wear it anymore. Nice, good clothes, okay? Not the torn ones. Make it nicely fold. A pile of it. Visit some institute nearby and give to the needy ones. I am again reminding you, only the nice clothes which people can wear happily. Okay, this is the third item in my list. Now, going for the fourth is decorate your house very nicely. You can use marigold malas, this green color toranams, then clay diyas, candles. Make the light come in and let your house vibrate with color, smell and light. You can make a special corner for Diwali, a small table which is decorated with flowers, candles and diyas. Keep a small box of sweet for the visitors during, so that you don't have to run into the kitchen all the time. You can just take it and offer to the visitors. Okay, moving towards the fifth one is buying gifts. Buy small gifts for your dear and near ones. And the most important people in your list must be your helping hands. your domestic help, your driver, your cook, and the people without whom you can't survive. My suggestion is give them money so that they can buy whatever they want during the Diwali. The sixth one is go for shopping. Very happy. This time the streets are all decorated with nice bright lights. People are moving around. People are buying. Necessarily not mean you have to buy things. You can go for window shopping also. That is also very nice. That gives you a very, very happy feeling. I do lots of window shopping. You can also do that. The seventh item in my list is cook something special for your family members. Eat together, spend some time together. I'm going to make sweet poha and aloo tikki for this Diwali. Sweet poha my mother always used to make during Diwali days, so I'll be remembering her. Otherwise also I remember her every day. This is a special occasion to go to my mother's cuisines. So sweet poha and aloo tikki with dhania chutney is my menu, my special dish for this Diwali. Eighth item is pamper yourself. You can take some essential oils, some scented oils, apply all over your body and take a good refreshing bath. In Kerala, Diwali is celebrated in memory of Sri Ram, who came back to Ayodhya Puri after killing Ravana. So that is why the lamps are lighted. Then the oil bath is also for that, to celebrate Sri Rama's homecoming. So you can do that. Pamper yourself with some good essential oil and take a good bath. Ninth is doing Lakshmi Puja. In North India, during Diwali, Lakshmi Puja is very important. In front of Lakshmi Devi's idol, fruits, then this poha, puffed rice, sweet, gold coin, silver coin, new clothes, water, everything is kept for 3 days and do puja. I don't follow it very religiously, but this is something similar to the Vishu which Kerala people celebrate. So I also do something like that. Keep all these items in front of in my puja space and do puja for 3 days. This is all about Lakshmi Puja. The 10th item in my list is dress up yourself. Take out your fineries and dress your jewelry, good clothes, with a smile and good heart. Welcome people to your home. Welcome Lakshmi Devi, the Devi of prosperity, to your home. And I will add one more thing, the special tip of grandma: for every occasion, try learning something. One shloka, one little dish, one word, something new, every occasion, every day, you must try to learn. Diwali is the festival of lights. India is a place where different people celebrate one festival in different ways. In North India, if it is the Lakshmi Puja, in South India, it is the homecoming of Sri Rama after killing Ravana. The streets in front of the houses, they light lamp to receive Sri Rama on this occasion. But the ultimate point is victory of good over evil, victory of knowledge over ignorance, victory of brightness over darkness. Diwali is a festival of 5 days in North India. When South India, it's limited to 2 or 3 days. In North India, it starts on Dhanteras and ends with Bhai Dooj. This year, 12th November is Dhanteras, 13th is Naraka Chaturdashi, 14th is Lakshmi Puja, 15th is Govardhan Puja, and 16th is Bhai Dooj. In North India, all these 5 days are celebrated very enthusiastically. I was in North India for 35 years of my life, and I enjoy thoroughly Diwali. This is COVID time, but sitting at your home, you can celebrate all festival without losing its importance and enthusiasm. That's all for today. Hope you will have a wonderful Diwali 2020. Grandma's kids are eagerly waiting to show their special surprise to you. So watch on. Wait for that surprises. We will be doing series as usual. Stay connected. Always put a comment in the comment box so that we also know that what do you feel about Grandma's Tales. That's all for today. Tata, bye bye. See you from tomorrow daily.